Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I will be trying to figure out, with the help of you guys, what wedding gown I should do next. I'm just making some quick sketches. I have tons of sketches already done, but I want to do a different style of dress for the fabric that I have. This is the lace that I have. It's a really pretty beaded lace. I got it from metatronfabrics on Etsy, and they have kindly sponsored this video. So yeah, this is the lace, and then it goes with, excuse my mess, it goes with this nice ivory stretch satin. So I'm kind of lost about what I want to make. I have been making videos, but I haven't just been posting them because I don't know what's wrong with me, if I'm trying to be a perfectionist or not. I made this little dress. It's not finished. I made this little dress for my little girl, and I recorded the whole thing, but I'm not sure if I'm going to post it because I feel like this video, this dress is a fail. But yeah. And then I've been working on a commission, which is this dress right here. It's not lined or anything. I've been hand sewing all of the appliques to it. And then I have to line it to do the hem and everything. And then I'm still waiting on the fabric to come in for this, but I fit it and everything with the bride. So everything is good. I just have to wait for the fabric to come in. So I have this fabric and another fabric to make this dress from. And I have no idea what I want to do. I was thinking I wanted to go with something a little bit more modest, something that everyone will wear instead of the plunging necklines that I've been doing. So I sketched this one. This is just like a lace top, the sweetheart neckline base, and then it has like just a kind of an A-line skirt. And then this one is a kind of a plunging neckline as with princess seams running down it, and then it'll have like a gored center back seam that'll kind of flare out for the train, and it has spaghetti straps. Okay, so I also have this dress sketched, which is, this was going to be the dress that I was going to make with the fabric that I have, but I'm not sure if I want to make this one. I'm so indecisive, y'all. And then I have this dress, and I actually tried to do something with a transparent corset, and it was a fail, so I just have to keep practicing. So I think this dress will be on hold. Then I have this dress, which is a simple pleated satin dress, and it'll have like a ruffled organza skirt. I love this one. Decisions. And then this one is a ball gown. This does not have a transparent corset, but you can see the boning on the outside, and it has lace appliques and multi-layers of skirt, which I'm not sure if it's going to be satin or tulle yet. So I've been sketching like crazy, guys. I'm like having total creative block right now, and I'm not sure why. On a positive note, though, I do have a prom dress video that I'm working on coming up. It'll be made from red satin, and I'll be using, where is that? My bag of lace. I'll be using this red lace that I have. I think I have like 6 yards of it, but I really want to use that, so I'll be using this on it. So I'm waiting for that I'm waiting for that fabric to come in the mail, and that will be another sponsored video as well. I don't know, I'm just really discouraged because my June was not as productive as I would want it to have been. So it's kind of putting me in a little bit of a down mood for July. But I'm trying to, get out of it. I'm at the point where right now I'm staying home with my kids, so I have time to really grow my wedding dress business and grow my channel and everything. And it's been hard deciding what I want to go with, because obviously there's a money factor there. So I can't just make all of these, I can't make them all. Well, at least not at the same time. And I think that's really bothering me. But, thank God for the opportunities that have fallen into my lap with the 2 sponsored videos. Like, I would never have been able to make another wedding dress this soon on my own that wasn't a commission without the help of a sponsor. So I'm really glad they reached out to me. If you guys think I should make one whole video and kind of speed it up a little bit, or keep my step-by-step videos like I did with my last commission wedding dress that I did, that I'm still waiting on the fabric for. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and also turn on notifications. It really helps me when you guys subscribe to my channel, and when you like, and especially when you comment and interact with my videos, because it helps YouTube promote my videos to other people who are not subscribed. And that really helps me, because it helps support my channel, will get me to the point where my channel will be supported when I get to 1,000 subscribers, which whenever that will be, guys. I'm just getting super discouraged, and I'm trying not to, because I know I'm really proud of myself for getting to 430 subscribers, or how many ever I have. I think I have 430 subscribers. I'm sure eventually it'll pick up. I'm just, for the last week, for the last couple days, I've just been in a little creative rut, and I'm not sure where that's stemming from, but I hope I get out of it soon. And like I said, I just made, excuse the garbage bag, so just paper, y'all. Made that little dress for my little girl, and I'm not sure if I'm going to post that video, but my little girl will wear it around the house, I'm sure. That's all she wears, is the dresses I made for her. So look, photobomb me. What you want? 2 shoes on, guys. And here she is with another dress on that I made 2 years ago, and it has everything but princess on it.
I'm here for ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles? I'm not making ramen noodles. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my camera up so you guys can see me sketched, and let's start sketching. And hopefully you guys can help me decide which gown to choose. If you guys have stayed tuned in this video for this long, I really appreciate you guys, and I love you guys, and I love the support that you guys give me. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next one.